So right after these setups, we want our system to be smart enough to send billing informations as well as to generate invoices and send to our client. Now without Cron Jobs, our system will not be able to kind of do all of those processes, like automating all of the billings as well as sending client invoice to our users. Now what we are going to do now is to set up crons on our software or with our hosting. So if you navigate to the right side, you see that we have like last automation run, and it's never, and then it needs attention. Go ahead and click on that. Now anytime you try to log into any sensitive part of your application, you'll be asked to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and just confirm. This is just to ensure that the application is yours. You are trying to log into the right application, and that you are the administrator of that particular application. Once you are logged in, you will see that there's the error here that it needs attention, but you realize that our cron has never run. If we scroll down, these are the cron activities. Okay, so these are the things that you can use. So you can enable suspension, send suspension emails, if you want to enable on suspension, all of these kind of things. So these are things that your WHMCS can do, and with the help of the cron, it will automatically send notifications to your user based on any of this. Okay, so the ability to change invoice status, change due dates, and all of those. Now we are not going to talk so much on these cron jobs. Go ahead and click on this arrow right here, click on resolve, because you realize that last run cron is never. So this cron has never run. So basically your clients are not going to get any notification in terms of billing and sending invoices. Go ahead and click on resolve. And once the page loads up, you realize that your cron setup, your cron is not set up. Your cron invocation frequency is also not set up. That's because we have not set up cron on our web hosting or on our cPanel account. Now this is the cron command, so go ahead and copy this command, and right here in my cPanel account, so in the search tool here, just type in cron, and there you have create, manage, and delete schedule task. Okay, so that's our cron jobs. Just go ahead and open that, and then you are navigated to this page to add your cron. So what I'm going to do is to add a new cron command. So just navigate to the button here, click on common settings, and then we want to set our crons to run every 5 minutes. So you can leave every one of these settings and just paste in your cron command, and that is the command you copied from your WHMCS software right here. Now that we have pasted our cron command, go ahead and click on create cron. Alright, so now we have successfully created our cron. Let's return back to our cPanel account or our WHMCS software and go ahead and refresh. Alright, so since we set our cron jobs frequency to every 5 minutes, let's give it 5 minutes for it to run for the first time, and then we should have this automatically checked when we check in 5 minutes time. Alright, so now it has been about 5 minutes. Okay, so let's refresh and see if our cron job ran or not, and then we should get this checked. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on refresh. So go ahead and click on refresh, and once the page loads, you have these check marks, and now this description says okay. That means our cron job successfully ran. I'm going to close this window right here, and then refresh our whole WHMCS software. And now as you can see, the cron job ran 8 seconds ago. Okay, so now we have successfully set up our cron job, and then now our WHMCS software should be able to automatically send client invoice and support our billing information. So if a user who is signed up to our account and you have set up the period of their person's plan, where once it's getting closer to expiry, our WHMCS software should be able to automate those processes and send them a reminder of payment in terms of billing, and they should be able to make payment right off. Now don't worry about this error, it will go after at least 24 hours or a few days time. Okay, now that we are done, let's return to our WHMCS software or in our home page, and this also should go in a few hours time. Okay,